Amy Navarro here at Stitchin Heaven, your Block of the Month headquarters. I'm here to share today with you a new Block of the Month, guys. I'm so excited. It's made with beautiful batik fabrics with a little sparkle. The name of this one is Holiday Stellar Starburst Winter's Glow. This Block of the Month quilt was designed by Marilyn Foreman at Quilt Moments, and it finishes up at a 72-inch square, or 72 inches by 72 inches. I'm going to show you what is going to come in your month 1 package. And just to give you an overview, this is a 12-month program, and it includes your border, your binding, and your backing. Yay! Love to have the backing included. Makes it easier to get that quilt completed. Just buy that batting and you've got it done. Okay guys, let's go over some of the stuff in your package. First, I want to showcase the fabric that I'm so excited about. Again, this is a batik fabric, and it does have those little metallics, gold metallics, and it just makes it sparkle, which is why it's called Winter's Glow, because it does glow. I'm going to open this up for you guys and show you that contrast there. Look at that beautiful green against that red. It's definitely a holiday quilt. Great for Christmas time or whatever holiday you celebrate. Okay, let me show you the pattern here. So the original here is the Stellar Starburst, and we've done it in the Winter's Glow or Winter Sparkle version. And that's the red and green and cream. And again, it all comes with that little touch of metallic in those batik fabrics to give it that sparkle. So here's your original version. You can remake it in any colorway that you need. Comes with your fabric requirements. We are doing the medium version. So we've included a note here with your pattern. We strongly suggest before you start anything, highlight which version we're doing. It'll keep you focused on that one so you don't make mistakes, okay guys? Then it's going to show you an overview of your pattern here, and then it's going to break down for you each of these blocks, okay? We're going to keep going here through your pattern. Going to show you how to cut it. Lots of information here, what you're going to need. And it's going to go into your month 1 and giving you your directions, how to assemble it once you have it cut. And then on the back, again, it's going to break it down into size. Make sure you're following the medium size, guys. Medium size is what we're doing here to complete this one. And it's going to keep going here through each month. I'm going to skip kind of to the end for you. There's month 12. And how to assemble. And on the back, it shows you those different colored versions if you want to remake it. Lots of beautiful ways to make this, guys. Okay, then I'm going to show you here our welcome letter. This guy's beauty. And it's going to give you the information you need on your quilting journey. So the front here is going to tell you when the program bills out. That way you know when to expect it in the mail. How long the program is. And any shipping information there. On the inside, you're going to get a full color version of what your quilt's going to look like when it's done. Love that. Gives you something to reach for to get that puppy done. Then you're going to have here your QR codes on the right-hand side. This is your QR code for your Facebook group. Guys, sign up for the Facebook group. Sign up for the Facebook group, okay? That is where all of your other people that are making this Stellar Starburst Winter's Glow or Winter Sparkle quilt is going to share with you their pictures, or if they have any tricks of as they're going through and making it, what made it easy for them to do. You can share the same with them. It's also where we will communicate with you guys. If anything comes up during the program, we'll share there with you so you're all staying informed, okay? Your next QR code is your fabric key. That's going to take you to our website so that you know which fabric goes where in your quilt, okay? And then you have a QR code to subscribe to our newsletter. We encourage you to do that as well. It gives you information not only about when our Block of the Month programs start, any new ones coming out, but we do lots of fun things here at Stitchin Heaven And we want you to come visit us. We want you to sign up for our travel events, or maybe a retreat or a bus trip if you're close enough by with us. And we want you to come and visit. So that gives you information of what we got going on here at Stitchin' Heaven, okay? The last one's very important. This QR code lets you update your billing. It lets you update your address if you move during this Block of the Month program. So it gives you instruction here on to open your phone, and then you're going to find your camera app. Just hover over it and that link will pop up so you can click on it and it'll take you right there to where you need to go. On the back, we've included our address, our store hours, our phone number, email address, all that stuff for you guys. So get a hold of us, call us, email us. We love to hear from you. It encourages us. We love talking to our customers. Y'all make it everything that we do here in Stitchin' Heaven worth it. Okay, guys? I'm so excited. I'm so thankful that you're here with us, and we hope you have a beautiful quilting journey making this lovely Block of the Month quilt. All right, guys, I'll see you later.